Today we'll talk about trigonometric ratios of some standard angles, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Without using calculator, these values you should know just at a glance. For example, if I ask you what is the value of sine 30 degree, then you should say it's 1 by 2. Similarly, sine 60 degree, root 3 by 2, 45 degree 1 upon root under 2, 90 degree 1, 0 degree 0. So how that's possible? Many of the students, they have always confusion upon the values of these angles. Similarly, all of these angles value with cos you should know, then tan, then sec, then cosec and cot. Remember, if you know the value of sine, then the values for other trigonometric ratios you can easily get it out by some special tricks we have. No need to remember. First of all, you remember the values for sine and then the other. As you know, 0 degree means no any value, isn't it? So apart from 0 degree, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let us first of all write the numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now tell me how many numbers are there. As you know, 0 has no any value. So there are 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's divide these numbers by 4 because 4 numbers are there except 0. So when we divide by 4, we get these numbers. And now let's take their square root. Okay, let's take their square root. All the numbers square root we take. Then what we get? As you know, 0 upon 4 is 0 and root under 0 is equal to 0. And this is the value for sine 0 degree. So sine 0 degree value is 0. Now root under 1 upon 4 means root upon 1 is 1 by root 4 means 2. So 1 by 2 is the value for sine 30 degree. Similarly, 2 upon 4 will be cancelled, getting 1 by 2 and it's 1 upon root under 2, and this is the value for sine 45 degree. Similarly, root 3 upon 4 means root under 3 upon root 4 means 2, and this is the value for 60 degree. 4 upon 4 is 1, so root under 1 is equal to 1, and this is the value for sine 90 degree. Isn't it so easy? Now let's know the value for other trigonometric ratios by drawing a table. So let's make a table like this. Down we'll write here ratios, that is sine, then cos, then tan, then cot, then sec, and then cosec. Now sine 0 degree, so upper one the values whatever we have got that we'll write here, that is 0, 1 by 2, then 1 by root under 2, then root under 3 upon 2, then 1. Now to find the value of cos, just you write from the opposite whatever values of sine you have got. So this 1 will come to right, that is 1 here, then root 3 upon 2 will come, then 1 upon root under 2 will come here, then 1 by 2 will go there, then 0 will go at the end. So whatever sine value we have got, just you write from the right side, you will get the value of cos. Now tan, as you know, formula of tan is sine upon cos, so 0 by 1 is 0. 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2, 2 and 2 cancel, so 1 upon root 3 you will get. Similarly, this both cancel, so 1 you will get. Here 2 and 2 cancel, so root 3 by 1, that is root 3 you will get. And 1 by 0, you should remember anything by 0 is equal to undefined, that is infinity. So here you will get infinity. Okay. Similarly, cot is reciprocal of tan, so 0 means here down nothing, that is 1. So 0 by 1 will reciprocal it and will get 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means infinity. Similarly, here we will get root 3 upon 1, that is root 3. 1 upon 1, 1. Root 3 upon 1, that is 1 upon root 3 will get here, and then here down is nothing, that is 1. So infinity by 1 reciprocal will be 1 by infinity, and 1 by infinity means you should know it is 0. So 0. Now sec is reciprocal of cos, so just reciprocal values of cos will write. So 1 will get, 2 by root 3 we will get here. Similarly, sec 45 degree we will get root 2 by 1, that is root under 2. Then sec 60 degree we will get 2 by 1, that is 2. Then sec 90 degree there is cos 90, 0. Reciprocal of that is infinity. Now cosec is reciprocal of sine, so all these numbers reciprocals you do, you will get the value of cosec. Let's do that. So cosec 0 degree is 1 by 0 means infinity. Cosec 30 degrees 2 by 1, that is 2. Cosec 45 degrees, reciprocal of sin 45 degrees. Sin 45 degrees 1 upon root under 2. You will get here root under 2 upon 1, that is root under 2. Then 2 upon root under 3. And cosec 90 is 1. So these are the values of some of the standard angles of trigonometric ratios. Isn't it so easy? So thank you very much.